Hello, everyone! Did you know that Telegram allows you to delete your payment and shipping information to further protect your privacy? If you've used Telegram for online shopping or transactions via bots, it's important to know how to clear this information and ensure it is completely removed. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to clear your payment and shipping data on Telegram in a simple and quick way. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. Once it loads, you'll see 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the screen. That's the menu. Tap on it to open the Options menu. Once you're in the menu, find the Settings option and tap on it. This will take you to the Settings page of the app. On the Settings page, look for Privacy and Security and tap on it. This will open your privacy and security settings. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Payment and Shipping Info. Once you find it, tap on it. In the pop-up window that appears, you can choose whether you want to delete just your shipping information, just your payment information, or both. It's important to note that while Telegram does not store your credit card data, your shipping addresses and other information may be saved in Telegram bot systems. To delete the data, tap on Clear All. Then, tap Clear All again to confirm the deletion. This step will remove the data from Telegram. Telegram never stores your credit card information. It's only stored by external payment service providers. After you've deleted the data, you can be sure that your payment and shipping information has been removed from Telegram. This is a useful option to protect your privacy and prevent further storage of sensitive data on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.